Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Instagram application on your mobile and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you are on your profile page. Just tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings. Now when you are in settings, what you have to do is just tap on this help and click on this help center. Now tap on these three bars again and you will see this option manage your account. So just click on this manage your account. Now you will see these options. You can see there is delete your account. So just tap on this delete your account, and now from here you will see this option again delete your Instagram account. So just click on it and you can see this link type temporarily deactivate your account. Just tap on it, you will be redirected to this page. Now tap on this Android app help and click on this mobile browser help. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will see this option delete your Instagram account. So just click on it. Now tap on this Android app help again and click on this mobile browser help again, and now scroll down a little bit and you will see this delete your account. So just click on it, and now you can see that why do you want to delete your account. So you have to give a reason like anything, something else or something like this, and then you have to enter your password here, and after entering the password just tap on this delete option and your Instagram account will be deleted. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.